Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In this channel, you will find the complete solution of many Olympiad math problem, ACT, SAT, O levels, A levels, GCSE, IGCSE, and many other competitive exams. Today Olympiad math problem is 64 raised to power x equals x raised to power 192. You have to find the value of x. These questions look difficult, but when I will solve this, it become very easy and simple. So watch till the end. You will get the complete solution of this question in a very simple way. First of all, we will take whole power of this as 1 by x. The reason behind this is we will take its power as 64 raised to power x. Taking whole power is 1 by x. And from this side, x power 192 and its power is 1 by x. Now this x and 1 by x are multiplied. 64 power x multiply 1 by x and x power 192 multiply 1 by x. Now 64 can be write as, in the next step, this will become 64 equals x raised to power 1 by x and its power is 192. Now we will solve this further as we will consider taking the power 1 by 192 on both sides. So 64 power 1 by 192 and here we will take x power 1 by x and power is 192 divided by 192. So 192 and 192 both are cancelled out and we have remaining is 64 raised to power 1 by 192 and here we have x power 1 by x. Now we will take the LCM of 192. So it will become 2 9s are 18 and then first we take the LCM of 64. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, then 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So it will become 6 times 64 is 2 raised to power 6 and its power is 1 by 192 and here we have x power 1 by x. So after this we will solve this as 6 multiply 1 by 192. So 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18, then 6 2s are 12. That means we have 1 by 32. So this is x raised to power 1 by x. So we have 2 power 1 by 32 equals x raised to power 1 by x. So after this we get x raised to power 1 by x and in this side we will write 2 raised to power 1 by 32 means 2 by 64. So what will happen 2 by 64 and we will solve this further as this will be the square. So x by 1 over x equals 2 power 2 and 1 by 64. So 2 power 2 is 4. So 4 power 1 by 64. Now what will happen to this? This is x raised to power 1 over x. In the next step, 1 by 64 can be write as it is multiplied by 2, so 2 by 128. When we multiply both sides by 2, so we get 2 by 128. So we will write this as, we will solve this here, that we get x raised to power 1 by x, and this equals 4 raised to power 2 by 128. Then x power 1 over x. So this is the 4 square and this is 1 by 128. So what will happen? It will become 4 square is 16. So 16 power 1 by 28. Now we will consider 1 by 128, that equal 2 by 256 when we multiply this by 2. Now we will write this here. Then we will continue this process, x raised to power 1 by x, and this equals 16 raised to power 1 by 128. So that means we will write this as 16 raised to power 2 by 256. Now 16 square is 16 multiply 16, and this will be 1 by 256. So 16 square will be 256. So 256 whole power is 1 by 256. So what will happen? We have x raised to power 1 by x, and this is also x raised to power 1 by x. So that means now we will see that if the bases are same, powers are also same, so x equals 256. So this is the answer of this question. Now we can solve this by another way. We will take log on both sides and also find the value of this. So with the help of log, we will also solve this. So if you want, I will solve this by log method. Tell us in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.